Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Jahangir Science School. Today's topic is Fleming's left-hand rule. Fleming left-hand rules. When a current carrying conductor is placed in an external magnetic field, the conductor experiences a force perpendicular to the both field and current flowing direction. Hold out your left hand with the forefinger, second finger and thumb finger perpendicular to each other. If the forefinger represents the direction of the field from north to south and the second finger represents that the current from the plus to minus, then thumb finger gives the direction of the force. Fleming's left hand rule states that if we stretch the thumb, middle finger and index finger of the left hand in such a way that they make an angle of 90 degrees, that means perpendicular to each other, and the conductor placed in the magnetic field experience a magnetic force. Thumb, if it points towards the direction of the force. Middle finger, it represents the direction of the current. Index finger, it represents the direction of the magnetic field. Magnetic field direction is north to south and current direction is plus to minus. The force increases if the strength of the magnetic field is increased. The current is increased. The direction of the force is reversed if either the direction of the current or the direction of the magnetic field is reversed. Thanks for watching. I am Jahangir Alam. I am a O and A level physics teacher. I completed my BSc honors with first class and MSc thesis with first class, MPhil from BUET. Please enjoy my channel, and if you would like to support more videos, please consider subscribing. Thank you. If you need more help, you can join my offline coaching. You can contact with me.